Welcome back after the break. Now let's shift focus to Jio Financial Q3 earnings, where the profit has actually declined 8.8% on a sequential basis, while revenue is down 10.1% to 901 crore on a sequential basis. But if you see year on year, the NI has actually doubled. But to get a sense how the quarter has been, we have with us Gaurang Shah. Gaurang, how do you see the numbers? The expenses I can see has clearly increased this time. So what should investor watch out?
Well, thank you so much for having me on the show. Good evening to all of you all, to all the viewers of ET Now. A small disclosure. All recommendations are a part of our fundamental research team from a long-term point of view. Our company, Jio and myself, don't have any kind of investment in recommendations given no financial interest, no public interest. Our clients and some they might have their investment in it. So it would be a part of a strategy with respect to the expansion of new businesses and the team that they will need to take that business forward. In terms of the downtake, this should be one-off with the kind of business strategy that Jio Finance has going forward. And as and when the approval starts coming through, care of from a long term. As a disclosure, since we are speaking about fundamental buy call on Jio Financial Services from a long-term point of view, and we have recommended the stock to our clients. And business opportunity is huge as far as India is concerned with respect to credit demand and credit growth. So, and the kind of the backup that Jio Finance has from the parent, I don't think this should be a big problem in terms of recovering the lost ground.
Right. So it is one-off as per Gaurang. I also want to understand that what is the reason for PAT coming to this number this time? Is it, as you were mentioning, it is one-off? It is because of the dividends and dividends which has not come from associates?
It could be one of that, but the core business is that how you take the top line and the bottom line forward. So dividends could be one-off, and dividends is not dividends get doled out when there is excess on the balance sheet, and of course, if there is no other way, then the dividends are rolled out. So that could be one particular point. But my conviction will even grow stronger as they get newer approvals for their businesses, and as we all know, the kind of tie-up that they have got with BlackRock, I think scaling up of business and lending should take care of a slight disappointment in the third quarter this time.
Thank you, Gaurang, for joining us and dissecting these numbers for us now.